In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Planoly Subscription full 2025 guide. We'll walk through the cancellation on the web version because the layout is clearer and the billing controls are easiest to find there. First, open your browser, head to Planoly, and sign in to your account. Once you're in, go to your account area, click your profile icon, which is usually at the top right or along the left sidebar. Then choose the section labeled Settings, Account Settings, or Billing and Plan. The exact wording can vary slightly, but they all lead to your billing details. Inside the billing or plan page, find the panel that shows your current plan. Here you'll see options to manage your subscription. Look for a button or link that says Cancel Plan, Cancel Subscription, Change Plan, or Downgrade to Free. Select the option that reflects what you want, completely cancel or move to the free plan. When you choose to cancel or downgrade, Planoly will prompt you to confirm. Read the notice so you understand what features you'll lose and when the change takes effect. Most accounts keep paid features until the end of the current billing cycle, but after that you'll be on the free tier or fully canceled depending on what you selected. Confirm the action to finalize it. Next, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Planoly. This message documents the change to your account, and it's a good idea to archive it in case you ever need proof of the date or the plan you switched to. Before you wrap up, consider backing up anything important from your workspace. Export or download your scheduled post list, media library items, captions, and posting schedules so you don't lose drafts or references you'll want later. Even a simple spreadsheet or folder with images and notes can save time. If you prefer, you can also review your saved payment methods in the billing section. After cancellation, make sure any automatic payment option is removed or disabled. Then log out and keep an eye on your next billing cycle to confirm that no new charges appear. After a moment, the billing page should reflect your new status as free or canceled. Refresh the page if you don't see it right away. Your workspace and past content remain tied to your login, just without the paid perks. That's it. You've canceled through the web dashboard, and you can still sign back in any time to use the free features or upgrade again if your needs change.